Hi everyone, in this video we are going to study properties of exponential functions. Let a and b be positives where a is not equal to 1 and b also not equal to 1, and x and y are real numbers. The first property is about exponent laws. Here are 6 examples of our exponent laws. Property number 1, when we have a raised to x times a raised to y equals a raised to the sum of x and y. Exponent law number 2, a raised to x over a raised to y equals a raised to the difference x minus y. Law number 3, ab raised to x is equal to a raised to x times b raised to x. Law number 4, when we have a quotient and this is raised to x, this is equal to a raised to x over b raised to x. Law number 5, a raised to x and the quantity is raised to y. This is equal to a raised to the product of xy. Law number 6, a raised to 0 equals 1. Property number 2 is a raised to x equals a raised to y if and only if x equals y. There is a restriction that a is not equal to 1. Property number 3, a raised to x equals b raised to x if and only if a equals b. There is a restriction that x is not equal to 0. Let's go now to sample problems. Example 1. Simplify using laws of exponents and write answers using positive exponents only. We have 2 problems here, AB. Letter A is 2 raised to 5x minus 1 times 2 raised to 3 minus 2x. So we have here multiplication of exponents with same base. So what we'll do is simply add the exponents. So we have 2 raised to 5x minus 1 plus the other exponent is 3 minus 2x. So we can directly remove the grouping symbol and add corresponding terms. So the 5x and the negative 2x we will combine together. It will be 3x. The negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. So our final answer is 2 raised to 3x plus 2. For letter B, we have division of exponents with the same base, which is e. So we will subtract the exponents. So we have e raised to 4 minus 3x, then minus the exponent of the denominator 2 minus 5x. In the next step, we will remove the grouping symbol. In the first group, we can directly remove the grouping symbol, but for the second group, we need to change first the sign of the terms inside this grouping symbol. So we have now e raised to 4 minus 3x minus 2 plus 5x. And from here, we can combine similar terms. The 4 and the negative 2, we can combine together. It becomes 2. And the negative 3x plus 5x is positive 2x. So our final answer is e raised to 2 plus 2x. Let's go to example 2. Solve for x. We have two problems here, A, B. Let's begin with A. 4 raised to 5x plus 1 equals 16 raised to 2x minus 1. First, let us check if the bases can be made equal. We can see here in the left side the base is 4, on the right side the base is 16. And we know that this 16 can be rewritten as 4 squared. So it will be like this now. The 16 becomes 4 squared. And the power 2 here, we can multiply with our exponent outside. So the 2 times 2x becomes 4x. 2 times negative 1 becomes negative 2. On this line, we can see that the bases are now equal. And according to property number 2, a raised to x equals a raised to y if and only if x equals y. It means to say we can copy the exponents 5x plus 1 in here and equate that with the exponent of the right side, 4x minus 2. And from here, we will solve for x. The 4x on the right side, we will transpose on the left. Of course, the sign must be changed. Also, this plus 1, we will transpose on the right side. The sign will be changed. So, we have now 5x minus 4x equals the negative 2 and minus 1. To simplify further, the 5x minus 4x becomes x, and this is equal to negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Let's go to problem B. The quantity 2x minus 1 is raised to 5 equals negative 32. I know that this negative 32 can be written as negative 2 raised to power 5. And if I do this, I can observe that the exponent here, which is 5, and the exponent here, which is now 5, are now equal. So according to property number 3, a raised to x equals b raised to x if and only if a equals b. It means to say we can now copy the bases of the left side and the right side respectively. Thus, 2x minus 1 is now copied here is equal to the negative 2. And from here, we're going to solve for x. The negative 1, we will transpose on the right side. It becomes plus 1. And then we will simplify further. The negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. We will divide this equation by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we have now 2x over 2 equals negative 1 over 2. And we will cancel the coefficient of x and the divisor 2. So only x comes down, and this is equal to negative 1 over 2. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.